Hello, this is Brian Trampler, Business Development Manager and Product Manager for Video at Intrado, and welcome to Whiteboard Friday. So today I'm here to talk to you about video adoption. What is video adoption? Well, think of this as your toolkit to make sure that people get the most out of the video conferencing equipment and video experience that you're putting together inside of your company. There are a couple of things to consider when we think about video adoption. The number one most important thing is to have a video ambassador. Somebody who talks about video all the time. For Intrado, welcome. This is the guy who talks about video all the time. I'm the person who tells everyone, if you're not on video, you're not showing your best to your customer, to your partner, to your coworkers, to your managers. Video really helps you get your message across effectively, and believe it or not, it's been a proven fact that video allows you to get more done in less time. So, have that video ambassador talking about video adoption all the time. Another thing that you want to consider is environmental consistency. When we talk about that, we're not necessarily talking about the optimal video environment, but an environment that's the same no matter where you go inside of your organization. Whether you're in a meeting room, whether you're in a huddle room, whether you're at your desk as a CEO, or whether you're in a full AV room that sits 20, 30 people. The consistency of that video environment is extremely important. When you start a video call, if it's a one-button push to launch that call, make sure that every single system in your environment has that same experience. That allows adoption to occur at a much faster rate because you don't have to learn every individual system when you go from room to room. Another thing to consider, especially when we're talking about facilities, is location, location, location. We all know that the C-level executives have great access to video. They're the ones probably who started the whole video discussion, and it's now disseminating out amongst your workforce. So when we talk about location, we're talking about the rooms. Make sure that you have environments that are full of AV equipment that the C-level executives can use and feel comfortable with. Make sure that you have medium-sized rooms that fit 10 to 12 people, again with that same consistent experience. Make sure that you have huddle rooms where 2, 3, 4 people can sit together, collaborate amongst themselves, but be able to collaborate with somebody across the country, across the world with video. And then add on those individual rooms where 1 or maybe even 2 people can sit in front of a video unit, having that same experience, making sure that they're sharing video, sharing collaboration, being able to talk about their most important points and present that in a wonderful video fashion. Once you start getting those environments and the consistency and the video ambassador all in place and moving forward, now you need to think about the awareness and training that you're providing around video. Make sure that your users who have questions about video have access to online training, how-to videos, collateral, whether it's on the tabletop or created digitally for you. You want to make sure that they have access to that. And if you make a change in the way that your video works, make sure that you update that collateral as quickly as you can. That's a very important thing to do. Again, you don't want to stop the adoption from occurring by having people have to go and look for resources and they don't have a way to figure out where that resource sits. What are the benefits of all this when you talk about video adoption? Well, you have the advantage of gaining productivity, right? We talked about the ability to shorten your meeting times because you're using video and able to consistently get your message across. The cost savings of travel. Think about placing video in environments where people normally have to travel across the world or across the country. You give them access to video. Not only are you saving costs on travel, you're also giving them a better work-life balance. They don't have to go to the airport. They don't have to park. They don't have to go through security. They just go sit in front of a video unit and talk to somebody across the world. They have a better work-life experience. You've provided that to them. And then a wonderful benefit of all that is environmental sustainability. If you're looking for a way to provide your employees an access to sustainable products, video is a great way to do this. And if you need more help and you need more information about video and adoption that we can provide, please reach out to Intrado. We're happy to help you at any time. Thank you.